Hi guys, I'm Pink and Blue is at school and Red is at school. So we are the colors. I'm so lucky. And we're gonna Sevilla. Please look at this. Ooh, I'm so good at cartwheel. Oh. Okay guys, I'm so good at cartwheel. Oh, let's do it again. I'm not good at backflip. Ano, tara? Ano? Hey, mommy! I'm done. Let's make some sentence here. Oh, and we're gonna float. Let's story time. And okay, we're doing a cartwheel. We're actually going to the town right now. Hey guys, I almost shot this video. OMG, this guy is keep ruining our vacation. Girl! And I look at him. I'm just gonna play everything that I want. Please don't go to the blender. Every dart is the and it's only causing everything that I want is the Lord. Every touch, I'm just like a star. Not every touch is the fall. Let me stop floating. Oh, what the? We're so good at cartwheel. We're so good at gymnastics. That's it. Bye-bye. Pink color from